Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Windows Update error with the error code 0xc00236 on Windows. And now, let's get started. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the System tab. On the list on the left-hand side, in the right pane, select Troubleshoot, and then click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run, corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This tool will start detecting problems and attempt to fix them automatically. Next, we will clear the contents of the Software Distribution and Catroot 2 folders. You will find a script that I will share in the description section of this video. Copy this script. Then, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar, and right-click on it to select Run as Administrator. Paste the copied script into the elevated Command Prompt window and press Enter. The final solution involves performing a System File Checker scan. Again, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar, and right-click on it to select Run as Administrator to open the elevated Command Prompt window. Type the command sfc/scan and then press Enter to initiate the SFC scan. This process will check for and repair corrupted system files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.